Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
Hello. Hello, everyone. How are you today?
Hi everyone. I am good. How about you, David?
I am very good. Thank you. Very happy to see you today.
Yes, me too. I am happy to be here.
Today, we will talk about something fun. Do you know what it is?
Let me guess. Is it about food?
Not today. Today is about hobbies.
Ah, hobbies. I like hobbies.
Yes, hobbies are fun. They are things we do in our free time.
Free time, that is when we are not working, right?
Exactly. Free time is when we can relax and have fun.
Oh, I like free time.
Me too. And hobbies make free time even better.
Yes, but David, what is your hobby?
My hobby, I like reading books.
Books? Wow, what kind of books?
I like stories about adventure.
Adventure stories, like pirates and treasure?
Yes, pirates, treasure, and sometimes dragons.
Dragons? Wow, I like dragons too.
Very good. So reading books is my hobby. I read every day.
Every day? That is very good. I like reading too, but only sometimes.
That is okay. You can read sometimes. Reading is a very nice hobby.
Yes, but my favorite hobby is painting.
Painting. Oh, I like painting too, but I am not very good.
Don't worry, painting is fun, even if you are not good.
Yes, you are right. Painting is for fun. You can use many colors.
Yes, I like colors. Red, blue, yellow, all colors.
Colors are fun. Sometimes I paint too, but I paint simple things.
Simple things? Like what?
Like trees, sun, and mountains.
Ah, very nice. Simple is good. Simple is fun.
Yes, and you paint every day?
Not every day, maybe 2 or 3 times in a week.
Very good. That is enough. You practice and it is fun.
Yes, and I like to share my paintings with friends.
Sharing is good. When you share, people like your work.
Yes, and they say, wow, very nice.
That is very nice. And how about other hobbies? Do you have more?
I like dancing too.
Dancing. Oh, I like dancing, but I'm a little shy.
Shy? Come on, David, dancing is fun.
Yes, I know. Maybe one day I will dance.
Yes, one day or today.
Maybe not today, maybe later.
Okay, later.
So, friends, do you know what a hobby is?
Yes, a hobby is something you do in free time.
Yes, let's say it slowly. Hobby, hobby, hobby.
Hobby, hobby, hobby. Very good.
Now, let's practice together. I ask and you answer, okay?
Yes, let's do it.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Very good. Now you ask me.
What is your favorite hobby, David?
My favorite hobby is reading books.
Yes, perfect. Friends, you try too.
Yes, say, my favorite hobby is...
Repeat slowly. My favorite hobby is painting.
Now, another question. How often do you do your hobby?
I do my hobby 2 or 3 times in a week.
Very good. Friends, you try. How often do you do your hobby?
Yes, say slowly. I do my hobby every day.
Yes, good job. You are learning English very well.
Thank you, David. And you, how often do you read books?
I read books every day. Yes, every day.
Wow, that is very good.
Yes, reading is fun. Friends, hobbies are fun. They make life happy.
Yes, hobbies make life happy. Let's say slowly. Hobbies make life happy.
Hobbies make life happy. Very good. Now we can talk about hobbies with friends.
Yes, you can ask, what is your hobby?
Or, how often do you do your hobby?
And don't forget to answer. My favorite hobby is...
Yes, very important. Answer clearly. Let's practice another question. Do you like your hobby?
Yes, I like my hobby very much.
Good. And sometimes you can say, I love my hobby.
Yes, I love my hobby.
Friends, practice English with hobbies every day.
Yes, practice speaking slowly and clearly.
Repeat after me. My favorite hobby is...
My favorite hobby is painting, reading, dancing.
Very good. You are speaking English very well.
Yes, and don't forget, learning English is fun.
Now, one last question. Friends, what is your favorite hobby?
Yes, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite hobby?
Yes, we want to know. Maybe reading, painting, dancing, or something else.
Yes, maybe you have a very interesting hobby.
Yes, friends, thank you for learning English with us today.
Thank you. Practice English with your hobbies every day.
Yes, and don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more fun English lessons.
Yes, see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.